In this video, Bitcoin is forming a massive warning in the daily time frame, but the question is this going to lead into a massive dip despite of the ongoing altcoin season? Well, stay tuned to know more. So hi guys, and welcome back to another Gabs cryptocurrency video where we trade by data and not by hype. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel, click the subscribe button down below and hit the notification bell so you won't miss out videos like this. So yeah, let's now dive into this video and let's give you a quick recap of our previous analysis. So just to give you a quick update then, I've been doing some short-term trades for the past few hours and past few days. And para sa mga nakafollow sa Instagram ko, of course, nakakapag-monitor sila kasi pinupost ko siya dun sa channel ko sa Instagram. So, if gusto niyo makita yung mga ginagawa kong trades dun at may gusto din kayong gawin na trades based on sa mga ginagawa ko, you can actually check out my channel. Andun lahat yung mga ginagawa kong short-term trades if may gagawin man ako. And dun nyo rin makikita if mag-upload ako ng panibagong video and if madadelay ba yung mga videos ko. Sinasabi ko lahat sa Instagram page ko. So, make sure to follow me on IG. It's at Tristan Bal. You can find it also guys in the description down below. But yeah, let's now dive in dito sa quick recap ni Bitcoin. So, 'di ba, sa previous analysis natin kay Bitcoin, we are still expecting somewhat more consolidation dito kay Bitcoin. And as you can see, we have been pretty much consolidating for the past few days nga between the 115 and 120,000 US dollars. And right now, ang nangyari na nga dito kay Bitcoin is it has now formed a massive rising wedge. And traditionally, a rising wedge is a bearish pattern to the downside. And right now, you can see na we are forming this resistance and it's consistently continuing dito kay Bitcoin. And despite of this movement, you can also see, not despite, it's actually on top of this movement, meron din tayong nag-form na bearish divergence wherein the price is increasing while RSI is declining, and those are traditional signs of a bearish trend reversal. Now, will this take into effect within the next few hours? I don't think so. So, kailangan nyo kasi intindihin dito is this is in the daily time frame. So, what this means is it will take into effect within the upcoming days at hindi ngayon to. So, if you are a long-term trader and mid-term trader, then this is a massive thing to watch out for. Pero for the short term, it's just for you to be cautious just in case na gusto nyo mag-open ng mga long positions for the short term. You just have to be aware na meron nag-form na warning sa daily time frame. And this is ongoing despite of the ongoing altcoin season. As you can see, Bitcoin dominance is also declining dito, indicating na we are still in an altcoin season. But ano ba ibig sabihin nito? If let's say bumagsak si Bitcoin, tapos ongoing yung altcoin season, that would mean na yung mga iba't ibang movements na altcoins such as Ethereum, ipabagsak si Bitcoin, Ethereum would more likely just consolidate at hindi ganun babagsak si Ethereum as compared to Bitcoin. Though magde-decline pa rin si Ethereum a little bit, but as compared to Bitcoin, mas malala yung ibabagsak ni Bitcoin as compared to altcoins if the Bitcoin dominance is declining. However, if paakyat si Bitcoin dominance sa bigla at natapos yung altcoin season, then that's wherein we are going to see a massive crash sa mga altcoins. So, right now, as long as pababa tong Bitcoin dominance, then the altcoin market would actually be healthy. So, mamaya papasadahan natin si Ethereum. So, let's go back to Bitcoin, and just to give you a short-term analysis lang muna. In the short term, you can actually see Bitcoin is forming an hourly time frame bullish divergence. So, wherein price is declining while RSI is increasing. So, that is an indication of a bullish trend reversal. And as you can see, this bullish trend reversal is actually inside of this rising wedge daily time frame. However, ang kailangan nyo take note dito is this bullish trend reversal. I don't think that it's going to continue to the upside. I think it's just going to consolidate dito further kay Bitcoin within the 117 to 118,800 US dollars. So I think it's just going to consolidate dito. So I don't expect a massive Bitcoin move for the time being. I expect Bitcoin to consolidate pabalik kay 118,000. So that is what I am monitoring dito kay Bitcoin. And take note, quick segue, 'di ba, sa mga gusto rin mag short-term trades, sumali din ako sa Bybit WSOT, and di ko kayo pinipilit sumali dito, but sumali ako dito kasi malaki yung prize pool. It's up to 10 million US dollars. So if gusto nyo rin sumali, pwede rin kayo sumali dito, gumawa kayo ng sariling team nyo. Pero if gusto nyo sumali sa sa team ko, ilalagay ko siya sa description down below if gusto nyo sumali sa team ko. Pero if gusto nyo sumali sa sarili nyong team, pwede kayo gumawa at kayo bahala kung anong gusto nyong gawin. But this is a good thing to take advantage kasi it's up to 10 million US dollars of prize pool dito. So, yeah, I'll be taking advantage of that. And if wala pa kayo account kay Bybit, make sure to use my sign up link na you can find the description down below with Bybit. It's all available, guys, there. And yeah, let's now go back to our final analysis, which is Ethereum. And as you can see, Ethereum right now is forming a falling channel. And traditionally, a falling channel is a bullish pattern to the upside. So, right now, ang scenario dito ngayon is if let's say bumagsak ng malala si Bitcoin, at the same time, Bitcoin dominance is also declining, ibig sabihin ng ongoing altcoin season, ang mangyayari kay Ethereum is magkakaroon siya ng somewhat ng decline but it's not as bad as Bitcoin. So, as long as that scenario is happening, then we can take advantage of this next move ni Ethereum. So, right now, this falling channel is going to form a potential swing tradable opportunity wherein you can buy at or you can open a long position sa support and then sell at the resistance provided na maganda yung movement ni Bitcoin and yung Bitcoin dominance. And on top of that, if let's say magkaroon tayo ng movement dito tapos nagkaroon tayo ng breakout dito, let's say nag-form to ng bullish breakout, then we can see Ethereum go back to the 4,800 or not actually 4,800, roughly around 4,790 US dollars. We can see Ethereum go back to that level provided na ma-break natin yan. So sa ngayon, hindi pa siya nagkakaroon ng breakout or hindi pa siya nagpo-form fully pattern, aabangan muna natin to. And meron din kasi yung bearish scenario. In case nagkaroon to ng bearish scenario, it's going to follow this height. Then lalagyan natin siya sa possible point of breakout. And we can see Ethereum go back to the 4,100 US dollars. Now that is only for the bearish scenario. But take note, this pattern is traditionally a bullish pattern. So this is a 60% bias bullish, 40% bearish. But yeah, it will still depend pa rin kay Bitcoin within the next few hours. So yeah, I guess yun lang muna update natin for the time being. If you want to take advantage of this analysis na ginagawa ko, if you want to learn these different types of analysis, make sure to check out our Caps Crypto 101 playlist. Doon tinuturuan ko kayo kung paano kayo magte-trade using these different indicators na ginagamit ko sa mga crypto analysis. And if wala pa kayo kay Bybit, make sure to use our sign up link na you can find in the description down below. Anyway, yun muna update natin for the time being. If you find this video useful and informative, please click this video like and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye-bye for now.